I'm Karen, and tonight we're going to make Instant Pot chicken, black bean, and quinoa burrito bowls. And we're gonna make them by adding first a little bit of olive oil. We've already turned on to saute mode and got it to say hot. And I have already prepared the bell peppers. They're red peppers, and one jalapeno. There are 2 red peppers, and I'm going to go ahead and dump those in. And I have 2 large onions, and I'm going to dump those in. And what we're going to do is we're going to saute those until they get soft, and then I will come back and show you what the other ingredients are. Okay, our onions, red peppers, and jalapenos are nice and soft, so now we are going to add all the rest of our ingredients. I've already put in 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to add the last one. And I've already turned off my pot, so I'm going to dump in everything else. So basically, your chicken is going to be your last ingredient. I have 4 cups of vegetable stock. We have 2 cups of salsa, and I'm using mild. I have 2 cups of quinoa. I needed to rinse this, and I have a very fine strainer, but it's very small, and so I had to put in some cheesecloth so that I could rinse it without it falling through. So I'm going to use that too. And then the last thing is I'm going to add the rest of my seasonings. 2 teaspoons of salt, 6 teaspoons of cumin. It does call for 2 teaspoons of cayenne, but in my house, if it gets too hot, I'm not going to eat it. Neither is my daughter, so I'm leaving that out, but you are welcome to put it in yours. The last ingredient, black beans, 2 cans of 15-ounce black beans. And then what goes on top are your 2 pounds of chicken. And just go ahead and leave them whole. What you're going to do is after it's cooked, you're going to open it up and shred these. Right. You're going to seal your pot. Make sure your vent is sealed. And then you're going to do manual and 10 minutes. It's already on 10 minutes. When it is finished, you're going to quick release and then shred the chicken. And you can add some toppings if you'd like. Tomatoes, sour cream, cheese, guacamole. If you want, you could put these into a tortilla or a taco bowl. But if not, just serve them in a regular bowl with some toppings and enjoy. I'll post a picture of what it looks like when we're finished.